What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. Yeah, I was supposed to get you this video a long time ago, but I had so much on my mind this week. Okay, so like I had to get a procedure done, and yeah. So let me first start by saying to all the new subscribers, hi, welcome. I'm Faith. I'm the owner and operator of Divinity Nails, and yeah, girl, thanks for joining the family. Um, Share the video with a friend, a family member, anybody who loves nails. Girl, we love nails here. Let's build our nail family, okay? So I was supposed to get this set out a long time ago. I do call this the anti-Valentine's Day set, but I guess you can wear this set anytime you just want to just be like, okay, fuck love, whatever, right? But I'm trying to get back on this schedule of posting frequently. I would at least want to get out 2 full videos per week and upload those shorts. So if you have not, go ahead and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on every time I upload. As well as don't be afraid to drop those comments in the comment section below so that I will answer your questions as soon as I'm able to. Let me know what type of videos you enjoy watching, if there's anything that you want to learn or anything like that. So as you saw from the thumbnail for this video, these nails are going to be pretty much all black. I'm going to lay clear acrylic on all of these nails with the exception of the middle nail and the ring nail. We're going to put some black hearts in those and encapsulate those. So in that jar that you see, it is a Glam and Glitz container. However, I'm actually using the Mia Secret clear acrylic. I just put it in that drawer because that drawer was empty. I don't use Glam and Glitz anymore. I'm also using a size 14 nail brush. This is the nail brush that I won when I attended nail school. So this just proves to you that if you take care of your Kolinsky brushes, they will last a really long time. I went to nail school in 2020. Here we are 3 years later. I still have this brush. I also have a video on my channel. I'll go ahead and leave that in the cards as well as pop that up on the screen. It's titled All About Acrylic Brushes. Be sure that you go ahead and watch that video as soon as you're done watching this one. And it shows you how to take care of your acrylic brush, choosing the right brush size for you because all brush sizes are not the same, okay? They're all different and it really depends on the manufacturer. Okay, so I would highly suggest that once you pick out your acrylic brush, be sure that it's 100% Kolinsky hair. And again, go ahead and check out that video. I'm going to leave that in the cards as well is in the description box below. Also, all of the products, if I don't mention where they came from, most likely I probably got them from my local nail supply store. Um, all the other products that I use, I do purchase those from Amazon. It is on my Amazon storefront. So be sure to click that link tree link that's in the description box. It'll take you to all of my social media as well as my Amazon storefront. If there's something like I forgot to link, please just let me know. Drop a comment below the video and I'll get it linked if you don't see it on the Amazon storefront. But let's get back to these nails. So again, we're doing the encapsulated hearts on the middle nail and the ring nail. And then we're going to do like a black French. I originally wanted both of those nails, the middle and the ring nail, to both be matte. But when I went through and actually did this, it did not look right. It didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. I kind of wanted to do it the same way as I did the pink Valentine Day set, where the portion where the hearts are, I wanted that to be matte. And then I wanted the French part to be shiny. But no, this was not looking well at all. So I opted to go ahead and just do the shiny. The thumb, index, and pinky are all going to be black. So that's why I chose to go ahead and just use all clear for the set because I was going to use a black gel polish afterwards. You don't always have to use your colored acrylic. There's like I always tell you guys, there's multiple ways to skin a cat, honey. You can get the same result. And my whole thing when I'm working and creating a design, especially if it's a freestyle, I try my best to work smarter, not harder, so that I can go ahead and accomplish the same result with less time and I try to be efficient when I'm doing all of this. And then I wanted some reflective gel. So my on my pinky, well, all the other nails except the middle and the ring nail, they're going to have like a black base, and then I'm going to be using the reflective gel that I purchased in the kit from Amazon. That is linked on my storefront, so I did verify that that one is actually on the storefront. So if there's something that you're interested in purchasing, go ahead and hit that link in the description box and head over to my storefront so you can purchase those. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this set. Again, I like I said, I'm not the best with French, but we getting there. We getting there, especially with the hand painted French. Um, I'm trying to remember if there's anything else that I can tell you guys or answer any questions or anything. If you want to be featured and be part of the notification squad, just be the first 3 people to make sure that you comment on my video, and use the hashtag Divinity Gang to be part of the notification squad. If you have any other questions or anything like that, feel free to drop those in the comments. Or if you're not one to like to comment on the YouTube videos, you're always more than welcome to send me a DM on Instagram, and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. I'll let you enjoy the rest of this video. Be sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on every time I upload a new video. And as always, boss chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.
What's good, Tiff?
Man, I'm up in this motherfucker. These motherfuckers still tripping and shit. We ain't mugging and shit.
Hey, what spot you at?
I'm at the motherfucking casino, cuz.
All right, you know what? I'm going to get Trinice, Keisha, and Brittany. We finna set this motherfucker off. These hoes think we playing. We out. All right.
What hood nigga ride with me? I hit the block hard, chopping, rolling, spinners, ducking, die from police. A gangster like me, smoking, drinking, bounce to the club, sitting on guns, throwing sets up. I'm a thug. So what's good? In my hood we roll 6 4s deep. Black jeans, white tee, heat under the seat for the niggas, bitches, haters, jump. Watch these thug ass bitches get this motherfucker crump. I'ma set this motherfucker out. Bring me about to blow this bitch. Better run for cover, cause you know I come starting shit. Thinking that you heavy, you can bet everything you got. We gon' get this paper while you bitches steady blowing spots. This can be the stealing, nigga bleeding. What you think we saw? 5'2", but I'm never coming short of breaking up. Everybody stepping up, model bitches taking jump. When it comes to this clique, bitch, I tell you now you fuck. Niggas up that bitch out, haters up that jump, yeah. Niggas touch your bitch, hey, haters touch your jump, yeah. Good with that hating, hoe. What's that good? Now my girls about to hit the flow. What's that good? Niggas screaming, we gon' stomp you out. Start that good, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good?
Come try this new shit directly from this new clip. That built out true shit, and we all about them big chips. Pulling out them candy painted trucks with rims, them big whips. Don't make me bang a bitch. We about to change the script. Where all my gangster chicks? Keep it strapped, shake a trick. I don't care what set you from. I don't care how many chicks it is. Call them up while I roll this blunt. Just to know I ain't never run. Never, huh? Keep it gangster. Where me and my sis we
From
from.
the zoo, where them chicks lean up, pop on them dicks. Where them soldiers in the trap, moving keys and bricks. I'm new to this game, I'm never a lame. You'll never be the same. Once I lace up, connect my boot with your brain. Biatch, you in trouble if you think you got the muscle. Come tussle with my sisters and me. We got that heat. 12 gauge pump in the trunk, by the bump. When you hear that fucker dump, watch the whole block jump. Niggas up that bitch out, haters up that jump. Yeah, niggas punch your bitch in the face, haters punch your jump. Yeah, girls up that bitch out. What's that good? Now my girls punch your in the place. What's that good? Niggas screaming, we gon' stomp you out. Start that good, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, ho?
You sweet horse that cheat taught me to quit. For I flip and put your remains in the ditch. That stupid shit gets me aggravated and pissed. Then I grab in the cannon and easily spit. Cause we some big clips with big clips. Talking shit get you wet when my Glock starts to spit. The woman ablaze, so you know I blaze quick. Trip, leave your ass in the daze. Move quick before that left stick is nothing. I take 'em, how I give 'em for sure. Bitch, you gon' feel 'em for sure. And if your crew run up, I'll pop it in the clip and spill 'em. You want more? You can get it. If you want it in the club, bustin' motherfucker.